Maayong buntag. What's up, baby? Be careful because it's so wet. Heidi, good morning. Good morning, Delilah.
Morning.
Haggard pa ya. May tuog tarong.
Mom.
Yes.
In the afternoon, can we go to the beach? Let's put your drawer.
We're still working everything, our stuff in there. We'll see. Still have time, dude. Okay? Maybe later. Kapuy ay haggard. Tugon. May mga tuog tarong. So, di namin sa mong nipa. Nipa! Ay kami trabahoon ron. Yan trabahoon. Dala dito. Watch out eh. Be careful. Ang kutsinilas oy. Ay. Ito ay hangin. Dapat yun. Wala. Yeah.
That thing's a monster.
Which one?
That's
Oh, that one over there.
monster.
We just need a chicken. Native chicken for soup.
Papaya and
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, look at the guava. Yay.
look at the avocado. That thing's looking good.
Avocado.
believe they want to
That's mango, huh?
Or that's what I meant, mango. I can't believe they want to cut that thing.
I know.
I want it.
You want to cut that with all the mango?
Mm-hmm. Really?
Yeah, that's a huge one. Hey, when it's ripe, I dibs on eating it.
You want to eat it? Brie, eat it. Come on. Oh, hey, watch out. It's muddy.
Look at this.
Just walk in this.
Frogs everywhere.
Sa baka sa mga baki gabi eh.
Toads, actually.
Stood. Oh, there's more papaya.
Why
I think
everywhere?
that's,
Dylan.
baby, come on. Look at the difference. Look at the shape.
Oh wow.
Pumpkin toad.
What's up, love? What's up, love? Good morning, beautiful.
Pumpkin papaya.
We have banana there.
Oh, we got nanas.
Lucky spider.
What?
Lucky spider.
You seeing Lucky
Right
Spider?
there, up there.
No, it's okay. It's not really gonna.
No,
Yeah,
it's lucky
it's a
spider.
spider, but not gonna.
It's
not.
lucky.
We're just trying to say
freak
spiders,
out.
and I got shit in my head.
This is like what they call that, a big what they call that? Shit, I forgot.
Yeah, they did cut some of that mahogany, didn't they?
Yeah,
Hey,
they said they're not done yet.
Oh, they cut one tree.
Yeah, I know, but they're not done yet. Remember you said why they leave that wood over there?
hey, where's the sugar cane?
Mama Net has sugar cane. I don't know why Lola didn't. Yeah. Lola pipaliya nga rin. Ay okra. Si Manang ang taon nananom ani. Okay. Oh, magbunga ni oy. Naghara prutas sa bunga. Why bunga bay?
If I had a bamboo stick, I would
Look at daddy mangosteen. Han, this is the herb, Han. Han, the herb. Oregano.
That's oregano?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
I'm gonna call it herb.
We're gonna harvest some sweet potato later.
Smell that, Redder. It smells like pizza.
Mm-hmm. Ay.
That's
Ang
awesome.
pamulungan na to ni. Oy, ngit-ngit nga. Pamulungan.
Here, get over here. Get over here.
Oh, Han, this is the...
Fresh one.
Oh, guys, look at this. It's a peanut.
Oh, nice. Peanuts?
Peanuts. I think it's ready for...
It kind of smells like pizza, like this one. I want to harvest sweet potatoes.
Not right now, baby, just later.
Hey, when this starts fruiting, dude, this is the fruit of the queen. It's called mangosteen. Right here, dude. The juice is just only royalty was able to use this stuff back in the day. Pretty
Yeah,
cool,
that's
huh?
the story of this.
Now we're
Fruit.
growing it.
Pretty cool. Yep. Now we're gonna have one.
Maybe we get some in here.
Potato.
This is our cacao.
Oh,
dude,
yeah, yeah.
chocolate. This is all chocolate. Chocolate tree.
Oh, the different type of papaya.
That one is?
Oh, look at the color.
Baby froggy.
Look at that little.
They're not ripe yet.
These things are kicking ass.
Yeah.
Little house plants in there as well.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's indoor only. You hear they tried.
What's all this brown shit?
Kuya.
What's this stuff?
Yeah, that's normal. That's normal
What
for
is it? I've never seen a leaf do this.
yeah. But if you maybe put some medicine in it,
Oh, it's a fungus.
yeah, some
Kuya. Kuya. There's a baby frog on my
diya may kuan.
A baby.
Uli na piklo. Diya na ko no. Wa pa man bunga ni. Bring in the camera si Piklo. Tatay ka ng kanang
Yes.
Chinese Chinese kangkong.
Baby. There's baby. There was a baby.
Ketchay.
There was a baby frog on my sleeper. What?
I really don't think this is a lanzones. Or maybe rambutan.
I have no idea.
Weird.
Why do you?
So what?
You don't know if it's whitey or it's kibul.
It's a big one.
The gana.
Kill that one.
Kibul? What right there? Kibul? Kibul. Kibul. Sucks in the
Died.
yeah, it's gone for a while.
Sucks.
He actually died.
Hey, don't touch
Yeah. The other one's Blackjack. Remember Socks and Blackjack used to hang out here? Remember Socks was awesome? He was just real sweet.
Ang tag dili na mo uwan gabi
He
eh.
got killed by other dogs.
What?
What happens, dude, when you're nice?
Lansones, pila ka pa
You
ng
only
usa,
can
duha,
be so
tulo,
nice,
upat.
dude.
Lima ka lansones.
Wait, there's only.
Hey. All my schools, I can see images.
The other box, the new one.
I'm fucking freaked out.
People, blackjack, and white.
No, it's another box. The last box is we sent. Dahil na oo yao, dahil ka ng pang pizza yo, dahil ka pajas, pang tinula, ay, type na yan. Pwede. Pwede.
Hey, this one would come from there?
No. No. It's mahogany ha.
They're cutting down our trees and charging us?
Yeah. That's not your tree.
Yeah. Could be.
Gana kamuti oh. Oh.
Hey, I think I can do it, but I gotta climb the tree.
That's what they said. That's what, you know, you just need to put
I
the,
need to go up there,
yeah,
cut it, but it's
drop.
still gonna fall on our property.
yeah, but
Cut this
better
one,
than,
that
yeah.
one's gonna fall and fuck up all this up.
Can
I don't know if we can. We're still gonna
Well,
fuck shit up.
You guys wait to Kuya George. No, 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 no.
outside, like in the
In never now. Not right now, baby. It's too early. People still sleeping. Nothing too early. Baga ni mo. Excited po enjoy. Say good morning to Lola ka.
He's not there.
Lola's there in our house. Lapok, Mike. Nay, abrihin na yung tindahan, Nay. Abrihin na yung tindahan. Yeah, tanawan tindahan na, Nay. Ah. Tindahan na, Nay. Oh. Oh, palit na mo, guys. Naikuan si Nanay dire, nay Bear Brand, nay kape, nay 3-in-1, Nescafe, nay Magic Sarap, nay shampoo. Unsa man ning ang bullpen man lagi padaan ako, gibalik dya. Ang lapis ako, pamaligya. Gipadaan ako raw. Hindi pa gibalik dyan sa tindahan. Oh. Palit na mo guys, dapat itlog. Oh, dahil ka ng kuan. Italbo sa kuan. Unsa na nay? Kanang unsa na? Kangkong. Oh. Yeah, oh. Palit na mo, dali. Mo sari-sari story nanay. Oh, wa pa. Wa pa nga pinay, oh. Palit na mo og Silver Swan. Oh. Tapos yung ahos nga ni. Lucky 7. Oh, di ba? Kumpletos na nagtindahan. Tama na yun. Dapat listahan. Listahan si utang. Kamuot. Tirting mo tao. Di tayo magdakop-dakop piklo. Magdakop-dakop tayo nga rin. Tignan trabahoon. Hello, May. Di ano good May. Sige na ba pantal. Hey, hurry up.
Someone or what? Okay.
No.
Yeah. Shut
No, I want the cup. Ay, pastilan.
I put that like a cat.
Dako as 7-Eleven. Marlo said 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. Ay, dali na yan kay tabangi mi direk kubkubo na daghang kubkubo nun. Grabe, arang kakuan. Arang karindot puro ragri ni makitaan. Puro ragri ni mong makitaan. Di pa, ang itsura ni Joshua tong mga duha ka adlaw.
I don't know where my key went. What pants was I wearing yesterday?
What key? Oh no, the key is over here. You hung it.
I did.
Oh, I saw a
It's in
key.
my car. Where the pants I wore the truck
Oh,
keys in.
okay. Yes, Lou. Love you.
Yeah, like you don't eat and then sleep on.
Dali na, Klo. Dali na, Piklo. Ay, kamuot.
Oh, why'd you put?
Pagkanindot. Bisagarang ka alingasa. Aw, pahit, oy. Basta kay green. Ito, sa bato. Ano? Oh. Mayong buntagan.
My butag.
Buntag.
Buntag.
There you go. Lami na itang pisaw dito sa kanang tubig. Among kuan, matamig kadlawon. Matag kadlawon. Alas 3 pa siguro to sa kuan. Kadlawon. Mata na ko kaya ito ba nili kakatog tarong. Ang legit lagan. Yeah.
You're sleeping, I believe.
Over. Inside?
You gotta take your slippers off.
Yeah.
But
Baby, wash your feet. No, wash it again. It's over here. There's a lot of muddy. Hoy, rider, nag-ikis-ikis sa magkadong asa na magkabadong-dong. Musibat na ka ha?
Oh, G.
Sibat ha? Hinahinig sibat. Hinahinig kag sibat ha? Musibat ya? Musibat? Where you going? Palimungaw. Akong gigiro nga ha. Ngita pa ba sa'yo? Di.
Careful.
Parang kanindot sa panahon. May uwan gabi eh. Tibuok gabi, nagsig-uwan. Pagkadasan to. Ano nasi kakawan niya. Ikatut. Kakawan na. Di, tanaw ka dos kakao. Kasi may bunga.
Got shotgun on it? Shotgun?
Kahit na is doon doon ka trabahoon. Yeah.
Yep. Little
Yep.
babies.
Yep.
Rider. We got some babies going, dude. Kakao.
Kakao.
Oh, dude.
Wala may gilasing diro. Ang katanong. Lasang. Lasang. Not yet.
What's this one, babe? Can't you eat this one?
Which one? Yeah, that's the sour fruit, huh? No, that's Jimelina. Oh, which one? Yeah, that's the heart of the banana.
You can eat the heart.
Oh yeah, you can make salad. We salad it. We just remove the heart and
Oh shit, the bananas didn't make it.
no, it's not. It's just started. That's the red.
Oh.
That's the red. Sa tawagan na nga saging. Yeah, they're ready to come out. Santol. Dagko nga kasantol. Katong santol man siguro ni nga
Shit, that's papaya, huh?
no, that's not
Mango
that,
or
malunggay.
mulligan.
Rambutan.
Got moved because
Hanag ko lang.
that.
Mm.
They're really cool. They can make all this stuff square.
Yep. Not good with lineup.
That's gonna bother the shit out of me.
Yep.
Now that I just started.
Yeah, we're gonna cut this one side on here. Just leave it straight.
Damn it, why did
Yeah, don't look at it. Pandesal na ngay. Toy kap to, pumi kape. Adi sa magpapandesal.
Like I said, just be
Palaman mo ni. Eh, kad.
want coffee?
Yes.
Nah, you want coffee?
No, she's gonna make coffee. Nakay tubig na, Nay?
Making coffee? I'll make coffee.
Kaya mo pandesal. Hmm. Pandesal. Parang ka-cute. Pandesal.
Warm.
Mm-hmm. I have a bakery there.
Really?
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm going to
Go, Ryan.
You're going. Oh, you. La, Dylan, hurry up. Daddy's leaving. Tanaw ko ng bakery. Tanaw ko ng bakery. Mga ginoon, kaya yung di na kamat sa ubos. Ay, si Marlo na yun, sige nagtanaw. Daya, oh. Pandesal, ka-cute. Because pandesal sa una. Tagduos na. Tagduos na, nga ni, oh. Pandesal sa una. Ha? No. Na, di ama ko 3-in-1 nga rin. Ay, nay, di ko kape nga rin. Nay. Blanco. She doesn't like that white blanca. Patawang ka dito sa mga tindahan ay. Tama white yo. Mo na mo ihawon ng karumpista. Tama. Kajato niya. Are mo kaya ihawon eh, ahon. Tama mo kapito.